For submitting fawns to NADR for DNA request, go to the NADR page. You should see animals listed here that do not already have a NADR number. I have a comparison list from a previous submission. If I would like, I can keep this or remove everything from this comparison list. Now I'm ready to build a comparison list specifically for these fawns. I know I want to bring in specific sires to compare to. Choose that one and use the plus sign to add it to this compare list. Choose another sire. Add to the compare list. I want to choose dams from a pin 1. Since I'm moving all of the dams from that pin, I will choose this plus from pin button. So now I have all the dams from pin 1 and the 2 sires that I added individually in my comparison list. I'm going to be sending requests for all of these fawns except for the top one, so I can select all with this and deselect, or could just select each individually. I'm going to use the same specimen type and submission option for the fawns, so all of these can be built together. I have my fawn list, my types selected here, and I've selected all of the animals from this compare list to build my request. So I hit add to, and it's generated requests that will be sent electronically to NADR. If I want to start over and remove these requests, I could hit the X button, but if I'm prepared to send these submissions to NADR, I can note the envelope number here, or I will have an opportunity to view that envelope number with the animal name on a report. Let's say that I am ready to send these to NADR. I can select all of them, and I would select the to NADR button. At this time, the NADR office has received an electronic request, and I will be noting these envelope numbers on the physical sample to mail in so they can match these samples to the electronic file submission. To view what I've sent to NADR, I go to this reports page and the NADR submissions report. It will list all of the records that I've submitted to NADR, and they'll stay on this report until those animals' details are available and have been imported back into GMS. At that point, you can look historically at what you've sent on the NADR submission history report.